Hey guys and girls, what's going on? Josh back here with another video. Today this is just a short one. I want a trial twist for a gate I want to make, so hopefully this is a really fun one. What it is a cube twist, not a Rubik's twist but an actual cube twist. And then making it kind of look like a dice, so it should be really fun. I hope you'll enjoy the video.
Trying to find a way to make it easier to say that there's just one thing on my mind, and I think it's time for you to realize I want you all to myself. Share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe. Will you promise me? Will you promise me? Burned me once or twice, I expect them. I just wanna know what your truth is. Will you be the one to break me out of this? I want you all to myself. Don't wanna share you with nobody else. So give me something to believe.
So guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick video. It's cute. I've just turned it into a keychain now. But that was really fun practice. I really needed it. I'm going to be doing this on gates and things like that. What I have noticed is when I did it, I cut too far into it. So if you do it, don't cut as far as I did, because it splits into pieces. I was lucky to get that. But a lot of learning. The punching were fun, apart from when I kept burning my hand, so I ended up putting a welding gauntlet on. I know that, but I still somehow don't wear a glove. But yeah, this was a really fun project. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to rate, comment, share and subscribe. Videos next and previous in the link description. Playlist, tools, metalwork, woodwork, knife making, all that's in the description below. Go follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, all in the description below. I hope you all enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one.